Walsall tenants, if you're after a 3-bedroom semi-detached property on the north part of Walsall near the town centre, I think we've got the ideal brand new house to show you around today. Just before we take you in, we'll show you the outside. Obviously, as you can see and probably hear, this is a building site at the moment. Different phases of this development has gone on, and this is one of the last stages. This property that we've got at the moment is just becoming available as of the 22nd of December. So if you see on the outside, we've got parking here at the moment for a couple of cars. So that leads to your back gate. We should show you the garden in a second. Over here you have your meters, and this is for your electric vehicle charging, your EV charging. It's a really nice property, brand new. The first person to stay in this house will be the one that rents it for the first time. So you go in through here, you can go in through the back door, or you can obviously go in through the front door. This is your choice. So you can see the lawn is laid as brand new, and there's still a section that's going to be completed. And the camera can go and show the patio doors leading into the lounge area from there as well. So you've got a nice little patio area that you can step out onto, and you've got the lawn section as well. Okay, if you follow me, we'll go into the house. I'm just going to take my shoes off. You've got a storm porch area, an outside light, a doorbell, and as it's fresh and brand new and it's a muddy day, take my shoes off. Okay, so come on through when you're ready. I'll just get the door. Right, so entrance hallway, straight away we've got here a downstairs cloakroom, WC, a wash hand basin, okay, so from there we've got this is a Hive function, basically, that you can download your Hive app and you can operate do all kinds of functionality on this from the app. You've got the stairs going upstairs, and you've got the lounge, which I'll try and find the light. Yep, it's over here. So there we go. Coming to it's an open plan kitchen and lounge area, this property. So as you can see on this wall over here, straight away, you've got like a media point where you've got the TV aerial. You've got lots of sockets there, so you can attach your TV and other medias. Being a modern new build property, you've got lots of sockets on every kind of wall. You've got double sockets over there, double sockets there, double sockets there, and over there. So there's lots of sockets. They've thought about that. This room over here, before we go into the kitchen, let me just show you this one. This is a little storage area under the stairs. It's got your electric consumer unit, and you've got fibre through Virgin, we believe, and also BT as well. So a little storage area for your hats and coats and shoes and stuff. Okay, so the next section we'll show you is the kitchen area. Brand new, as you'd expect with a brand new home. What you have got is a inset. This is a fridge freezer. If the camera comes over to this side, we can show you the fridge freezer section. So that's your complete fridge and freezer. You've got a double oven over here, and there's an integrated dishwasher as well, which I'll show you, which is over here. And what you've got, the boiler, the central heating combination boiler, is inside here, hidden away, tucked away over there. Now, the only thing as tenants, what you will need to bring is just the washing machine. Basically everything else is provided for. You've got your hob, hood, lots of units for storage. Yeah, soft closed doors. Okay. So when you're ready, we'll take you upstairs. Okay, on the landing, there's a loft hatch to start off with. You've got basically everything going off here. Your smallest bedroom is the one on the left-hand side as you come up the stairs. You know, it's a good size. It's you could probably get a single bed along here. Again, a couple of double sockets on both sides. And it's a good width as well. Almost like a boxy feeling, but this way it's rectangular. This way is long and this way is the short side. But yeah, this is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. This is your master, I'd say. Being with the ensuite, I'd say this is the master bedroom. So I've just opened up your ensuite bathroom. Let's just turn the fan off for now. Just a little noise. So the ensuite has this one has the plumbed-in shower. The family bathroom, we'll see in a second, has the electric shower unit. So there is, as the camera went out, I don't know if you noticed, but there's a aerial point here as well. So you can connect up your television upstairs if that's what you wanted to do. And then as you head out, you'll come to the front bedroom. So that's at the 2 at the back, facing the back of the house. And then this is your front facing. Again, it's a good size, 2 double rooms and 1 single room. You've got lots of sockets, probably your bed would probably go along here. You've got 2 double sockets on 2 sides and another double socket over there as well. As you come out from the bedroom, you've got another storage area, your towels. Again, a bit more storage on the bottom, suitcases, whatever you'd like to put in there of your choice. And then you have the family bathroom. So the property altogether has 3 WCs, 1 ensuite shower room and a family bathroom. This one's got the electric shower, as we mentioned earlier on. A good size, your chrome towel rail for your towels. Really nice property. We're ready to let after the 22nd of December. So I think we'll end the video tour over here. Thank you very much for being with us. And if it is something that you'd like to go and proceed with, do feel free to make all your inquiries. All the links will be in the description below. Make an inquiry via telephone, via our website, through email. And hopefully we'll see you on the other side and actually give you a physical viewing of the property. All being well. Take care and see you on the other side. Bye-bye.